Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Heiko and today we want to do a little Halloween decoration. Not the usual pumpkin carving and ghost gluing stuff. We want to colorize flames for fire pits and fireplaces. Let's go! Alright, what do we need? We need some wax for sure. We have to melt that in a minute. I will do that. We need some pine cones. I take that as a base because I like how they look if they burn. They're looking kind of cool in the fireplace. That's the reason I take this. You will find them all over the place, no problems with that. Some twine, doesn't matter what kind of. Then we need, why we turn the flames into different colors, it's because we're burning salts, different kind of salts. For example, this would be alum and will turn the flame green and so on. So I put in the description some salts that and the respective colors if they burn. But I like this pre-mixed thing because if these are in the fire, then they will change the color of the flames randomly. So this is pretty cool. I like this more than a unique color or a single color. But it's a matter of taste, you can do both. Yeah, I will just quickly melt this. And by the way, I want to show you 3 easy methods for coloring the flames. For all we need molten wax. You can give the salt directly into the flames, but with the wax it is easier to handle. And you add some fuel to the fire so that you have a better effect at the end. But I get ahead of myself. Here I melt the wax in hot water. That takes a little while, and if all the wax is liquid, I add the fire powder, so basically the salts, to the molten wax. I think for this amount of wax, 8 to 10 teaspoons is pretty okay. Alright, for our third method now we need the wax to be nearly cold, so the putty kind of texture, so that you can easily form little balls out of the wax. My camera really is not a bad piece of equipment at all, but filming different colored flames during night, it pushes my camera to its limits. I tried to collect some nice shots for you, and I made some shots in my fireplace during daytime just to give you an impression how the flames look like. My advice would be, do not bring the wax or the salt into burning fire. You more put it into the amber, and then you have nice flames. The wax gives the fuel, so you have nice flames, nice colored flames. That would be a good surprise for guests or for kids, or it's just for you enjoying nice colored flames. I hope you liked that video, and I hope I see you next time around. Happy boohoo!